Welcome to my channel, and here we are going to work on this building drawing. And as you can see, this is the sketch plan, and here we are told that figure 2 shows the sketch plan of a bungalow, and we are to study the sketch plan with the given specifications and answer the questions that follow. And we are told that we should note that dimensions between walls are in to in. Okay, so this is the sketch plan as you can see here, and on this page here we have the specifications for walls, for floor, for roof, for balcony, for doors, for windows, for beam. And the questions that we are given here is that question A says that we should draw to a scale of 1:100 the following views. Roman figure 1 says floor elevation, and Roman figure 2 left end elevation. And question B says that we should draw to a scale of 1:50 a detailed section KK from foundation to the roof, and here we are told to assume suitable dimensions where unspecified. Okay, now we need to go back to the sketch plan for us to know what it contains. I will advise that you make a screenshot of this so that you can also have the sketch plan with you. Okay, so for the sketch plan we have the dimensions as you can see here, which I'll be bringing it for me to take the dimensions, and for the specifications which you have seen. So what I'm going to do now is to start with the construction of the floor elevation. And do not forget that these lines that we have here, they stand for the exterior part of the wall. And okay, so let's go and work on it. So the first thing that we need to do here is to draw a horizontal line around here. So we draw a horizontal line there, ensure that we have space. So ensure that we have space up here. So for other things that we are going to do, so I will draw horizontal line from here to here. Okay, so then I will also draw a vertical line, so from here to here, like this. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to take the horizontal distances. So let me show you the horizontal dimensions as we have here. So from here to here is 4,350. So from here to here is 1,650. While from here to here is 2,500. Here to here is 2,500. So we are dividing each dimension by 100. So let's take those distances. So the first one is 4,350. So if I divide that by 100, that is giving 43.5. So that means I can take that as 44 millimeters. So this is 44 millimeters here. So followed by 1,650. So if I divide that by 100, that will give me 16.5. So I can approximate that and make it 17 millimeters. So this is 17 millimeters. So next one we have 2,500 by 100. That will give me 25. So here I have 25 here. And next one also is 2,500. 2,500 by 100 will give me 25. So here I also have 25 millimeters to this point here. Okay. So now, so we have taken the horizontal distances up here. So we also have the distances up down here. So but let's take that of the vertical on this side of the sketch plan. So here we have 3,600 followed by 2,625 followed by 3,600 again. So I'm going to take 36. So if I divide 3,600 by 100, that give me 36 millimeters. So this is 30. So and then here I have 36. So then next one is 2,625. 2,625 by 100 give me 26.25. So I will take that as 26 millimeters. So this is 26 millimeters here. So I will need to extend this line a bit. Okay. So the next dimension that we have is 3,600. So 3,600 by 100, that will give us 36 millimeters. So this is 36 millimeters here. So now, so the next thing that I'm going to do here I will draw a vertical line from this point. So from this point here, where that 2,500 ends, I will draw a vertical line like this. Okay, then at this point here, so I will draw horizontal line. Okay, so we have what we have this. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to take the horizontal distances along this line here. Along this line, horizontal distances. So here we have what we have 3,000, 3,000, 5,225. So I will take 3,000. So that is 3,000 by 100 will give us 30. So this is 30 millimeters. So next one is also 3,000. So that will also give us 30 millimeters. So which means the distance that we have from here to here will give us 52 millimeters. Okay, let's leave it like that. Okay, then we also have vertical distances along this line. So here we have, from here we have 3,000, 1,200. This is 4,200 and we have 1,200. So that's 3,000. I will take a measurement of 30 millimeters from this point down. So this is 30 millimeters. So followed by 1,200, that will give us 12 millimeters. If we divide that by 100, that's 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. So next one is 4,200. That is 42 millimeters. If we divide it by 100, that's 42 millimeters. So the rest here will be 1,200. So we are done with that. So the next thing that I'm going to do here is I want to show you something. So this line here, they are in line. So from here they are in line, so which is the end of this 3,000 that we have here. So which means I will just join this together. So I'll join this together as a vertical line. Okay, so I just draw from here to here as a vertical line. So, and also, so here I'm going to draw this line, so to meet this line here. Okay, then I will also draw a line from here, so to meet this line, and here I will draw a vertical line to meet this line. Okay, so so the next one that I have here, so is the line that we have here, this line here. So it's here. So here I will draw it as horizontal line. Then, so coming up here, so we have a line at this point. So we have a line here. So I will draw this line. So it's okay like this. Then we also have a line at this point. So it goes and so it comes to this end. Let me draw this vertical line because it touches this vertical line. So I'll just take this down. Okay, so then I'm going to, okay, so this is not long enough. So here I will draw, so this line. So from here to this end, we touch this line. Okay, so which other one do we have again? So we have a vertical line at this point. So it touches this line. Okay, touches this line like this. Okay, so then there's another line, there is another part that we have here that is not dimensioned. So that is what we have from here to here. It's not dimensioned. That is the water closet and bath that we have here. So it's not dimensioned. So I'll just take a measurement of 15. So I will use 1,500 for that. So that is 15 millimeters. So I will take 15 millimeters. Then I will draw a vertical line, so like this. Alright, so we have put all the lines in place. So the next thing that we are going to do is to draw the thickness of the wall. So we need to make it thick. So we go to the specifications where we have the walls. So for the walls, we have all walls 150 thick concrete hollow blocks. So 150 by 100 will give us 1.5, approximately 2 millimeters. So approximately 2 millimeters. So it is 2 millimeters that I will use for the thickness of the wall. So let's start the work on the thickness of the wall. So let's start with the vertical wall first. So this is 2 millimeters here. So I'll come up here and take 2 millimeters. So I just did few ones that you will see. Then I'll pause the video and do the rest. So then when I'm done with that, I will come and show you the next thing to do. So we draw a vertical line down here. So and then so maybe I should do one horizontal, one vertical as I've done here, and one horizontal. So let me do this one here up. So this one is complete. So this is 2 millimeters here, and I'll come to this end and also take 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters. So here I'm going to draw some horizontal line. Alright, so that is it. So that's it. So I will pause the video and do the rest. When I'm done, I will come back and show you the next thing to do. Alright, as you can see here, I've taken the walls, as you can see, and the next thing that we are going to do is to fix the windows. And for the windows, we have 3 different types of of windows here. So we have W1, W2, W3, and each of them has its own dimensions. And then here we have 2400 by 1200, that is for W1. For W2 we have 1500 by 1200, and for W3 we have 600 by 600. Okay, so these are 2400. I'm going to take it as the height, while this 1200 I will take it as the width. So we are using the width in the plan or in the floor elevation. So all these, they are the width, and that's what I'm going to use for each of them. So let's fix the windows first. So we need to make use of the sketch plan that we have here. So let's start with this. This is W2, W3, W2. So for W2 that we have here, so the width is 1200, 1200. So here I'm going to, so you try as much as possible to centralize it. That is okay. So for the window, so try as much as possible to centralize it. So here I'm going to take 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters here. Okay, so I'm going to, okay, so I will fix the ones here. So then I will pause the video and fix the rest. Then when I'm done, I will come back and show you the next thing to do. So we have W3 here, so which is 600. So that's 6 millimeters. So I just take 6 millimeters here. Okay. And then here we have what we have W2. That is also 1200. So that's 12 millimeters. So this is 12 millimeters. So alright, so then I need to complete it now by drawing so 2 lines here. So I will draw this. And again. Alright, so we have fixed this window. So I will continue with the rest while I pause the video. When I'm done, I will come back so that we can fix the doors. Alright, so I fixed all the windows. So now we go for the doors, and we have 4 different doors here, 4 different types of doors. We have D1, D2, D3, and D4, and each of them has its own specifications or dimensions. So for D1 we have 1800 by 2100, and for D2 1200 by 2100, for D3 900 by 2100, and D4 is 750 by 2100. Okay, and for D1 we are told that sliding aluminum door with 50 by 100 aluminum frame, For D2, metallic door with 50 by 100 metallic frame. And for D3, we have wooden flush door with 50 by 100 hardwood frame. And for D4, we have wooden flush door with 50 by 100 hardwood frame. Okay, so for the doors, so we have this as the width. So these are the widths of the doors, and then these are the heights of the doors. So for D1, so where do we have D1? We have D1 here at the entrance to the living room. So we take so that is 18 millimeters. So that's 18 millimeters if we divide it by 100. So we have 18 millimeters. So this is 18 millimeters here. So we have 18 millimeters. And don't forget that the door is a sliding door. So sliding door. So we are going to put an arrow. So we are going to draw a line like this, and we put an arrowhead here, and okay, so we also draw another one, so that goes up like this. So we put an arrowhead here, so this shows that it's a sliding door, so it's moving to the right and also to the left. Okay. So we have fixed that door. So let's fix other doors that we have here. So D3, we have it to be a flush door, but we are only using the width here in the plan. So here we have one, here we have one here. So so I'm fixing one here. So that is that's 900. That's 900. That is 9 millimeters. So this is 9 millimeters. Okay, so we also have another one here. So we take 9 millimeters up and we join this together. Okay, so we have fixed these two doors. So I'm going to pause the video and then I will continue with the rest. When I'm done with that, I will come back and show you the next thing that we need to do. So if we still have something to do, okay. Alright, so I'm trying to bring out the thickness of this wall. So also I will line this. Alright, so I pause the video now. Alright, I've fixed the doors as you can see here, and I've also put the wardrobes and also write what they wrote here, as we have bedroom, water, closet and bath, kitchen and so on. I've written everything here. So the next thing that we are going to do is the beam. So we have beam here in the balcony. I've not written that. So they said here that the beam 300 by 300 reinforced concrete. So we are going to take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So 3 millimeters here. So this is from here. So this is 3 millimeters. I will also take 3 millimeters here also. Okay, so we are going to draw this with short dashes line. Okay, so to be short dashes line here in the floor plan. Also, so this will also be drawn with short dashes line. Okay, so that is for the beam. So and then we have balcony here. Alright, so that's it. So the next thing that we are going to do here is to draw the east projection. So east projection, we are going to draw it as a rectangle around this, and it's going to be drawn in short dashes line. So I'll pause the video, do that, then when I'm done I'll come and show you how it looks. Alright, so I've drawn the east projection as you can see here. So it is drawn with short dashes line, and the distance is 600, which we divided by 100, and it gives us 6 millimeters. So this is what we call east projections. As simple as I've done it here, all you need to do is to practice, and when you practice it, you become a master at it. Thank you and God bless you.